5 strategies to lose weight fast. Everybody feels like they need to shed a few pounds. Perhaps you've observed that your pants are getting a little snugger around the midriff, or perhaps you continue finding yourself contemplating whether individuals in the mirror are really you. Regardless of when it works out, this sort of acknowledgement can be a terrible second for a great many people. The catch is that terrible weight takes something other than recognizing that you really want to drop a couple of pounds and afterward trusting that something will mysteriously occur. To begin shedding pounds, you want to make an arrangement, quit fooling around with your objectives, and make a move from the absolute first day forward. Commitment is the key. You can lose few pounds in just 4 weeks. 1. Make a wellness plan. You, first and foremost, need to make a wellness plan to kick you off headed for getting more fit. This doesn't imply that you need to start eating better, yet it implies that you need to focus on getting more dynamic as a piece of your day-to-day everyday practice. A decent guideline is to attempt to get quickly off active work something like 5 times each week. On the off chance that you're truly in a hurry, in any event, strolling for 20 minutes, 3 times each week is a phenomenal spot to begin. In the event that you're squeezed for thoughts on what kinds of exercises to do, make it a point to have a go at a novel, new thing. By attempting new exercises, you can assist with fighting off weariness and keep your exercises fun and new. 2. Begin following your food. Next up on our rundown is that you really want to begin following your food. This doesn't imply that you need to start eating better, however it implies that you need to truly investigate your ongoing food admission and endeavor to make enhancements from that point. Get going by recording all that you eat for the following couple of days. Subsequent to doing this for a brief time frame, attempt to investigate your admission and check whether there are any regions where you have space for development. From that point, you can begin to make changes to your eating regimen by trading handled food sources for better other options, adding more products of the soil to your day-to-day feasts, and getting all the more entire grains into your eating routine. 3. Foster a sustenance plan. Now that you've gotten a smart thought of where your food admission is missing the mark, now is the ideal time to foster a nourishment intended to get your eating regimen in the groove again. To get in shape, fixing your everyday calorie admission is significant. Get going by sorting out the number of calories you ought to eat in a day. Get a decent benchmark calorie consumption for your orientation and mature, and afterward add or deduct calories dependent on your singular necessities. After you've sorted out the number of calories you ought to eat in a day, now is the ideal time to begin fostering a feast plan. For best outcomes, attempt to get a blend of lean proteins, organic products, vegetables, and entire grains in your eating routine each and every day. 4. Observe little triumphs. Next up on our rundown is that you want to celebrate little triumphs. It's not difficult to get down on yourself while you're attempting to get in shape, which is the reason commending your triumphs and achievements en route is significant. Get going by keeping a little diary by your bedside in which you record the things that you're thankful for each and every day. Recording 3 things you're thankful for each night before bed has been demonstrated to assist you with feeling more joyful, more appreciative, and less pushed, which is an extraordinary method for beginning your weight reduction venture. One more extraordinary method for praising your little triumphs is to get a decent advancement following the instrument. Whether it be a weight reduction application, a diary, or even something like a pedometer, having an instrument for keeping tabs on your development can assist you with remaining persuaded and keep you on target towards your objectives. 5. Don't fear disappointment. Next up on our rundown is that you ought not fear disappointment. It's not difficult to fall into the snare of reasoning that assuming you come up short, you're a disappointment, yet truly you're human and disappointment is a piece of life. The significant thing is to get yourself, gain from your mix-ups, and push forward. One extraordinary method for assisting to hold yourself back from letting little disappointments with getting you down is to lay out sensible objectives for yourself. Attempting to shed 50 pounds in a month is a catastrophe waiting to happen, yet defining a sensible objective like shedding 3 pounds in a month is an extraordinary spot to begin. One more incredible method for aiding hold disappointment back from getting you down is to encircle yourself with positive individuals. Individuals who are continuously scrutinizing you, or who are for the most part bad about everything, can be an enormous wellspring of dissatisfaction and stress in your life. Hope you would have liked this video. If you have any concern regarding your health, please contact your healthcare provider. Stay happy, healthy, and safe.